trying a different camera mount. We'll see how it does. But it's hands-free, so I don't have to worry about it. And it should be a little quieter. We'll find out. This mount is about as KISS method as you can get. You know, KISS, keep it simple, stupid. I bought a MagSafe, but I'm gonna tell you, it vibrated so horribly bad, I just sent it back. Gonna be real curious. See how this does. I stopped at one of the local fire departments to get a drink. I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you the camera mount. Here it is. It's my Ulanzi MT33 tripod, the one that I carried for a very long time backpacking. And it really works great. All I do is put the phone on there, slip it right down in there. And there you have it. The KISS method. It seems to work pretty well. The other new thing that I have is this trunk bag. Just gives me a place to put a water bottle and a little extra stuff. Now, back on the road.